Hello guys, today I will do a comparison video of OnePlus 10 Pro versus Nothing Phone 1. So let's get start the video. Let's start with dimension. Height. OnePlus 10 Pro has 163 mm height and Nothing Phone 1 has 159.9 mm height. Width. OnePlus 10 Pro has 73.9 mm width and Nothing Phone 1 has 75.6 mm width. Thickness. OnePlus 10 Pro has 8.6 mm thickness and Nothing Phone 1 has 7.5 mm thickness. Weight. OnePlus 10 Pro has 201 gram weight and Nothing Phone 1 has 179 gram weight. Let's talk about display. A screen size. OnePlus 10 Pro has 6.7 inches a screen size and Nothing Phone 1 has 6.43 inches a screen size. Resolution. OnePlus 10 Pro has 1440 resolution and Nothing Phone 1 has 1080p resolution. Aspect ratio. OnePlus 10 Pro has 20:9 aspect ratio and Nothing Phone 1 has also 20:9 aspect ratio. Pixel density. OnePlus 10 Pro has 525 ppi pixel density and Nothing Phone 1 has 411 ppi pixel density. Display type. OnePlus 10 Pro has Fluid AMOLED and Nothing Phone 1 has an AMOLED display. Protection. OnePlus 10 Pro has Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection and Nothing Phone 1 has Gorilla Glass protection. A screen to body ratio. OnePlus 10 Pro has 90% a screen to body ratio and Nothing Phone 1 has 86.3% a screen to body ratio. Let's talk about camera in detail. I start with OnePlus 10 Pro. It's have a triple camera slot and its primary camera have 48 megapixel aperture 1.8, telephoto of 8 megapixel aperture 2.2 or ultra wide of 50 megapixel aperture 2.2 or SDR LED flash. Let's talk Nothing Phone 1 camera. It's have a dual camera support and its primary camera have 12 megapixel aperture 1.9, ultra wide 12 megapixel aperture 2.2 or SDR LED flash. Let's talk both the phone camera video recording features. OnePlus 10 Pro can record 4K video at 30 fps and Nothing Phone 1 is also 4K video at 30 fps. Let's talk both the phone camera selfie. OnePlus 10 Pro has 32 megapixel selfie camera and Nothing Phone 1 has 12 megapixel selfie camera. Let's talk both the phone hardware. I start with OnePlus 10 Pro. It's have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Generation 1 processor and Nothing Phone 1 has Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Generation 1 processor. Hardware CPU. OnePlus 10 Pro have octa-core 3 GHz processor and Nothing Phone 1 has octa-core 2.4 GHz processor. Hardware GPU. OnePlus 10 Pro has Adreno 730 and Nothing Phone 1 has Adreno 662. RAM. OnePlus 10 Pro has 8GB 12GB of RAM variant and Nothing Phone 1 has 6GB of RAM variant. Internal storage. OnePlus 10 Pro has 128 to 56GB internal storage and Nothing Phone 1 has 64 128GB internal storage. Hardware card slot. OnePlus 10 Pro doesn't support any card slot and Nothing Phone 1 has also doesn't support any card slot. Battery. OnePlus 10 Pro have 5000 mAh battery and Nothing Phone 1 has also 4500 mAh battery. Fast charging. OnePlus 10 Pro has 80 watt fast charger and Nothing Phone 1 is only 45 watt fast charger. Operating system. OnePlus 10 Pro has Android 12 Oxygen OS 12.1 or Nothing Phone 1 is also Android 12 Nothing UI 1.0. Let's talk about the phone connectivity. I start with OnePlus 10 Pro. It's have a under display fingerprint, support 5G network, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, a stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C 3.1, UFS 3.1 or 120 refresh rate. Let's talk about the phone connectivity. Nothing Phone 1. It's have a under display fingerprint, it supports 5G network, NFC, 120 has high refresh rate, a stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C, UFS 3.1 or Wi-Fi 6. Let's talk about price. OnePlus 10 Pro comes with $67,605 of 8GB RAM or 128GB internal storage, or Nothing Phone 1 comes with $28,000 of $358 of 6GB RAM or 128GB internal storage. Let's come on result. OnePlus 10 Pro versus Nothing Phone 1. Design. Both the phone have same design, similar. Camera. There is a better camera on OnePlus 10 Pro. Hardware, there is also a better hardware on OnePlus 10 Pro. Connectivity wise both are similar. Charging wise there is a better charger on OnePlus 10 Pro because of 80 watts fast charger. So thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.